Hi! Welcome back to another video of being broke.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really
Girl, are you broke
fine. But you just
and
can't get
don't
into it
have
because they
money
never understand.
for eyelash extension like me? Well, this is the video for you. So please keep watching, please. You need
tweezers, wispy eyelash, special eyelash glue like me, big as scissors, and curly.
As you can see, I am barefaced right now. You need clean face. You need free of dirt because you don't want to clog. You really need scissors. Take your chosen set of eyelash and cut them into pieces like this. It should look like this afterwards. Be careful not to cut the eyelashes. Just cut the edge or the base or the root. So I was sick for a week. No one cares, but I'm just saying, SKL ko lang. I use this Ardell lash light glue. I bought it from the shop, but I'm gonna use this dark color. I bought it literally 3 years ago or something. I think it's still fine. Take your tweezers and tweeze. I literally got ear infection from all your lies that you dislike my video, but literally you like me. So take your eyelashes and dip it. And start putting it under your waterline in the upper part, really close to the eyelashes. Hi guys, it's me, Mario. Just kidding. This is me, Gray from the future. I am just gonna time-lapse this video because it took me 3 years to make. Just a disclaimer, don't put these in your eyes, kids. What? Are you dumb or something? If you don't have time to wait a month for this eyelash glue that I'm using, I also recommend this brand called Navina in color red. And also, I'm gonna do makeup and shoutouts after this video, so please keep watching! Please! And also, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. What? And see you guys in the next minute.
(3:28 a.m.)
Perfect.
Congratulations! 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 Quack, quack. Congratulations! 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 Congratulations!
It's done. So this is money-wise but time-consuming. If you're unemployed like me,
Get a job.
it's cute. This is cheap because in the long run, you will save money if you think about that. Girl, you can do this. It's like investment on eyelashes and you can use it for years. Oh look, what's this? This is my tattoo. Is it cute like me? Stop it. So now we're gonna do our makeup. So I did my eyebrows first, right? Let's use this BYS concealer. What? And then use this and like literally clean the area. Okay, let's just use this concealer that I bought on Shopee. I literally told you I bought this on Shopee. Like, have I told you that I bought this on Shopee? Let's use this beauty blender from Says Lady, Sassy Lady, or Says Lady, whatever. And then I'd like to put the contour. I use Careline from my sister again. I literally stole it. Like, I'm sorry sister, but I'm so broke. I don't have contour. Hopefully in the future I can buy contour. Let's put it here, on the side, and here. Look at that. And on the nose, and here. And then blend it. Girl, am I pretty yet? I also put it here, so like the illusion of being happy. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. Like, why y'all so serious? If you wanna know what products I use, check my first video here. Let's use the loose powder or setting powder. I like to do this first before my eyeshadow. What am I trying to look like? Or like, who am I trying to look like today? Myself. Like, look at that. Am I the same person? Yes. If you're not satisfied with your contour, you can just redo it later with using the contour powder or contour palette. While we're baking, let's use this whatever palette.
Wait, did I tell you that I bought this on Shopee?
Tap the excess. I'm such a beauty guru. Like what?
It's time to stop.
Tap the excess.
It's time to stop, okay?
Let's put some concealer again. Like, literally put it in the inner corner or some shit. Like, I don't know what to call this. Brush up the excess powder. Let's see how did we do with the baking and stuff and shit. Maybe let's put some eyeliner here to make the cat eye look. Use the eyeliner from my sister's bag. Oh my god! Oh my god! This is not it! Let's just use this Everbilena liquid lipstick, though this is not what I'm using normally. I like to overline my lips because I want to look like a clown that I am. Just kidding.
The next day.
Japan. Japan.
Please like if you want more of me. Did you like my makeup? Yes, please like my makeup, please. I hope this video is informative and entertaining. I know, right? Please like. I mean, just do it, or else I'm gonna shoot you. And subscribe and click the bell notification bell. And see you guys soon next week. Obviously, that's not me. That was Patricia. That was Patricia. Like, I know, right? And I am your 113th subscriber. Oh my god, thank you so much. Plus 100 respect for you. And what's this? Oh my god, thank you so much. Wait, what? Oh my god, just to be clear, I am biologically female. Do I need to tell that? I mean, guys, are you okay? Am I okay? Floopy floops. Floopy floops. The fuck? Also, shout out to April Joy for making me such beautiful poem. Like, look, like literally, I'm gonna cry. Like, this is so me.